is going on, guys? How you guys doing today? As you can tell by the title of this video, today marks my 1-year anniversary on my YouTube channel, and I know the wind is kind of bad and I'm sorry for that, but yes, 1 year ago today, July 10th 2017, I decided to make my very first YouTube video in my 97 Jeep Wrangler. So I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who watched my videos on a consistent basis. I know I don't grow as fast as some other channels in 1 year. I know I don't have the most expensive stuff and I can't just keep throwing parts at a certain car, you know, weeks on end. But I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you. So I made a little snippet, like I'm basically a 2-minute clip of just, you know, bits and pieces of my old videos, and just this video is basically for you guys before I go on a big tangent, so I hope you guys enjoy it. What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, YouTube? My name is Kyle, back here with another video for you guys, and today we are going to be buying my girlfriend a surprise birthday gift. Doing fog lights, a short ram intake, 3-inch downpipe.
So let me catch you, so let me catch you slipping by.
I got a little turbo noises now. I got a little it just speaks for itself. Like, oh, I don't know what to say. I've never been this happy or excited over a car before. You know, I'm gonna add that face. I'm gonna zoom up on that face. So yeah, I'm bummed, guys. I'm really bummed. So before I go on a big ramble, big emotional roller coaster, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you did enjoy this upload, make sure you give it a like. If you are new to my channel and you like my personality, like what I do, like my car, or find me entertaining, make sure you subscribe. And as always, guys, I will see each and every one of you in my next upload.